Hi friends! Hope you guys are doing good. I'm here to read another book. Today we are going to read Little Blue Truck. Horn went beep, engine purred. Friendliest sound you ever heard. Little Blue Truck rolled into the city. Beep, beep, beep. Isn't it pretty? Towering buildings scraped the sky. Beep, said Blue, the city is high. Look how tall those buildings are. Zoom, roared the trucks down the avenue. The city is fast, said the Little Blue Truck. He's in front of that big truck right there, that big bus. Shove on, Shorty, yelled a double-decker bus with big red letters, rides are us. A grocery truck gave a horn a blast. Move it, bud. I'm first, you're last. They're not being very nice to the blue truck, huh? Wee-oo, went the siren coming through. Busy police car, got lots to do. Swish, swoosh, swash. When a big street sweeper hollering, hey, better move, little blue beeper. Make way, yelled a limousine, the longest car you've ever seen. Look how long that car is, friends. I've got His Honor the Mayor inside. I am important. Move aside. Whoa, look how busy. Cars and trucks were all in a tangle. Everyone started to shout and wrangle. Up roared a taxi. Screech went the brakes. Stop, yelled Blue, for goodness sakes. You might be fast and I might be slow, but one at a time is the way to go. Little Blue Truck just wants to be safe. Me first, said the lemon, and puffed with pride. Then he gave a cough, and his engine died. He was stuck right there with the mayor inside. Beep, said Blue. Would you like a ride? Everybody watching gave a shout when the door swung open and the mayor stepped out. His Honor climbed right up to Blue and gave a speech the way mayors do. My friends, he said, what a wonderful luck. This good advice from a little blue truck, one at a time, is what we'll do. So single file, folks, follow Blue. Trucks and buses got in line with vans and taxis, and it all went fine. A taxi let a van go past. The double-decker bus said, I'll go last. A marching band joined the big parade. Boom with the drums and the trumpets played. See, everyone's helping each other because it's nice to be kind. They rolled along the avenue and everyone waved to Little Blue. Everyone's so happy with Little Blue because he took turns. They clapped their hands and yelled, hooray, for Little Blue Truck who led the way. The end. Little Truck was being kind, and everyone said hooray. Thank you so much for listening, friends. Can you say bye, Moose? Say bye, Penguin. Bye, friends.